All right, quick Manscaped unpackaging for the 3.0. Just ordered this shit off of Instagram because they had like the special pricing, you know, comes with all this stuff. So I figured I wanted to check it out. I've been looking at it for a while. I wanted to see what this shit's all about. I didn't want to buy any bullshit. So bam, your balls, thank you. It's about to get hot as fuck in South Georgia. Little brochure of the other products they have to offer. Looking at the website, it's like some people end up getting free items for remaining a member. So here we go. There's our cleaning tool there. It came with the crop reviver. I don't know if I want to put all that shit on my nuts yet. Preserved ball deodorant. Depending on how that is applied, I might be interested in that one. So here we go. We've got charging base. Feels decent. Gets a little light right here around the ring. But this portion facing down like that feels solid, like it won't move. So we'll go ahead and set this off over there, and I'm sure it's got some battery in it. But again, this is the 3.0 with the LED light. I'd say it's about 6 inches long. On the width, it could be a little bit thicker, but I guess if you're in a tight spot, you just need to be able to see what you're doing and don't need this in the way. So that's not bad. So that's how you pop the blade off. There's the sound and the light. Real sensitive touch button. Let's try this again to put the butterfingers. All right, so it snaps back on real simple. It's got a grooves in it. Just snap it back on. I wonder if that is what makes it so gentle, because that's like plastic. So that's why you gotta replace them, I'm sure. It's because they eventually go out. But that's something I haven't tried yet. You know, plastic versus the metal pinching you. I think I'd take plastic all day. Again, real gentle button there. So it was set in the base that way. There's your wall charger. So you can fade it out a little bit. I'm gonna try that out. So you got your wall charger here, cable. I guess that's your little travel pouch. It's decent, nice. I mean, I wouldn't mind having that in mine. So, oh, I actually got the real travel case part of this package. Pair of boxers, travel case. Oh, and this is the, this crap is great, man. You know, if you want to clean yourself outside of the shower, you don't want to have hair everywhere, right? That's pretty decent. I like that. But there's also a backup method, which is shave in the shower and then use a little fucking small handheld broom and a dustpan and, you know, save your fucking plumbing. But yeah, that's it, man. It's pretty dope. I'm definitely gonna try it out here shortly. So that subscription is probably gonna get me though, because with plastic, eventually they're gonna get coarse or wear down. So I might just order a few more of them to have them on hand. But that's the Manscaped package that came with the, I forgot what they call these things, man. Let's see what they call it. They have a name on this one. No. So there are some instructions, I guess. Get in position. That's probably interesting. Manscaped Daily News. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's kind of like real deal newspaper. Crosswords and pretty funny. Let's see, it's only, yeah, so it's 2 pages. So let's see what this other side looks like. Oh, you got your horoscopes, classified, spotlight. Look at this crazy shit. That's pretty cool. And then over here, more crap, obituaries. Probably died from shaving his nuts or something. Looks like that's what it's gonna say. All right, I would recommend, per the way the package looks, I'll get back to y'all on how it performs.